Hi, Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a brand new 2021 SeaRay 350 SLX. It's a gorgeous color on the exterior, black bottom, little accent strip here, white in the middle. Here at the swim platform, this is a drop-down swim platform. It's automatic, press a button and it drops down into the water. You got a nice lounging seat here in the back. You got flip up, take rest to extend further. This can shut when you're underway. Nice feature, or if you're going to be putting your boat, the cover on. This boat has an amazing sound system. It's a fusion sound system, tons of speakers. You got running water here, nice spot to put fruits and vegetables. A refrigerator, trash can, nice wraparound seating, all diamond stitching. This boat has a nice resting spot here. It's got a fill-in cushion so it can lay all the way out. Kids can hang out down there. You got a head in here, a flip-up step, nice bathroom, running water again. Here in the bow, nice big spacious bow. You can take the filler cushions out, put your feet down. You can use the underneath for tables. It's an absolutely great boat here. And at the helm, you got two fully touchscreen Simrads. You got a Fusion touchscreen. Great boat, digital throttle, absolutely amazing. Stop out to Rogers, MarineMax, check this boat out, and as always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.